Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. My name is Lisa and this is Our Life on a Dime. Today we are going to make some chicken and stuffing casserole, so stay tuned. Alright guys, so the first thing I'm going to do is spray the pan that I have. It's a 3-quart casserole dish. I am going to go ahead and spray it with some avocado oil. Alrighty, so now that's done. That's sprayed and ready to go. We're going to go ahead and take our chicken and we're going to take a few pieces. I don't know how much of it I'm going to use. I'm going to cut the fat off of the chicken breast and I'm going to see, I want to do about maybe about 1.5 pounds of diced chicken breast. So let me go ahead and wash my hands and get this cut up. Alrighty, I went ahead and diced up about 3 small chicken breast pieces and put them in the pan. Now I'm going to preheat the oven to 425. Alrighty, and the next thing I'm going to do is stick this bag of steamable vegetables in the microwave for about 2 minutes, just so that they're not frozen solid. And while the vegetables are in the microwave, I'm going to go ahead and get this ready so that I can melt this down as well. Alrighty, and I have a can of Cream of Mushroom soup. Sorry about that. What I'm going to do is put this in the pot so that I can mix it with some seasoning. Okay, I went ahead and dumped the Cream of Mushroom in the pot, and I do want to mention for you guys that are repurposers like I am, this was my pot from my Instapot that it didn't last very long. The machine broke, so I'm just reusing the pot for mixing bowls, so I thought you guys would appreciate that. Alrighty, and I have black pepper, onion powder, garlic, and thyme, and I just added some of that. You know, I didn't measure, I just sprinkled it on to what I thought would look good. I'm sure you guys know what kind of spices that you guys like so that you can judge how much you want to put in. So I just kind of put in a couple of shakes of each. Then I'm going to go ahead and put the pre-cooked, partially cooked vegetables, frozen vegetables, into the Cream of Mushroom soup, and I'm going to go ahead and mix that. Next, I have some chicken broth. I'm going to go ahead and fill my soup can with the chicken broth, and then I'm going to dump it and combine it with my vegetables. Alrighty, this is after I added the chicken broth to the soup mix, and then I'm going to come over here and I have some poultry seasoning. Even though I put seasoning in the soup mixture, I want to put some extra on the chicken. So let me go ahead and shake some on the chicken. I'll be right back. Alrighty, I did a couple of shakes of the poultry seasoning on top of the chicken. And now we're going to go ahead and dump the soup and vegetables on top. Alrighty, and this is what it looks like after I added the soup on top of the chicken. Next thing I'm going to do is take this dry seasoning, stuffing and herb packet out, and I'm going to put it on top of the casserole. And then I took that 1 stick of margarine and I'm going to go ahead and drizzle that on top of the stuffing. So I'll be right back. Alright guys, and this is what it looks like before we stick it in the oven. I just went ahead and put the dry stuffing mix on top, and then I drizzled 1 stick of melted butter on top of it. We're going to go ahead and place this in the oven at 425 for about 20 minutes, and then I'm going to come back and I'm going to check the chicken. So be right back. Alright everyone, and here it is out of the oven. It stayed in the oven for about 30 minutes at 425. I just went ahead and took the temperature of the chicken, to make sure that it was at least 165, and it is. So we are good to go, guys. So our casserole is done. So if you like this kind of content, please hit the like button. Subscribe to our channel so that you could be notified the next time we put a video up. Please leave a comment down below of how you guys do your chicken and stuffing casseroles. And until next time, thanks for watching and stay blessed.